Alright guys, it is Saturday night, and let me tell you what, you guys thought we were done with the spooky, but oh no. Tonight, as you can see behind me on the giant 86-inch screen, we are going to be watching Friday the 13th. Now, I missed watching a scary movie on Friday the 13th this year, but I actually made a post on Facebook that said, look, if we were going to be watching a movie tonight on Friday the 13th, it would be Friday the 13th, and for our snack, we would be making Kevin Bacon wrapped wieners, and that's exactly what we're gonna do tonight. Look at this. Before we went on the road to go to Canada to film Spirit Halloween Stores, I actually got on Amazon because I did not own a copy of Friday the 13th Part 1. Not only did I buy Part 1 though, oh no, I bought Part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I bought the entire Friday the 13th Deluxe Edition box set. Look at this thing, guys. This is stocked full with Friday the 13th Jason Voorhees goodness. Look at the end here. Isn't that an awesome picture right there? So yeah, this comes with everything from Friday the 13th #1. I can't even get it out of there. Not including like the fan films and things like that. But if I can get it out of here, well, first off, it has my favorite of them all, Freddy vs. Jason. Then it has the Friday the 13th collection of bonus materials. I absolutely love behind the scenes things and documentaries, so I'm really looking forward to watching that. And then it also comes with this little booklet here, which is actually pretty thick. That's about half the size of a DVD box. And look at this. It is chock full of Friday the 13th, Camp Crystal Lake, Jason Voorhees, and his mother goodness. So that's what we're going to do tonight, guys. We're going to watch Friday the 13th. And because Kevin Bacon is in Friday the 13th Part 1, we are making Kevin Bacon wrapped wieners. Don't even go there. Just take it for what it is and come with me. Alright, I hope we still have what we need to make these. Here's some bacon. In fact, here's an open pack of bacon right here. And I think the other things... Ah, yes. Down hiding in here. Cocktail sausages. These are just these little mini wieners. You can get them at Walmart or any grocery store. And then we need toothpicks. We're going to turn the oven on to... Let's do 425. Let that start heating up. We're gonna need a cookie sheet. That one will work. And we're gonna need some parchment paper. Right there. Okay, so these are super easy. The first thing we're gonna do is just take a piece of parchment paper and put it on our pan here. Then we're basically just gonna set up a little assembly line here. Open up our bacon. We need to cut open our cocktail sausages. All right, we got that prepared. Now we're going to take a piece of bacon. I'm using thick bacon. You can use whatever you want. Basically, just going to cut it into a smaller piece. Take a little wiener here and roll it right around the wiener. Then we're going to take a toothpick and stick it through the wiener. So there we go. That'll hold it closed. And put it right on your parchment paper. We're going to do that with as many of these as we think we are going to need tonight for our snacks. So we just grab it, roll it around, grab it, wrap it, and stab it. There you go. And it looks like we can get about 3 of these done per slice of bacon. They are literally that easy to make. And another thing about the thick cut bacon is you can kind of stretch it. So we could get 3 or 4 out of this, actually. Use your meat scissors and just cut it into small strips. Wiener, bacon, wrap it, and stab it. Yeah, that just holds it right together there. so that the bacon won't unroll while they're cooking. All right, there we go. Those are all prepared and ready to go in the oven. The oven is just about ready. So we'll put these in here. I'm gonna put them on the bottom rack. We'll give those about 15-20 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. I'm gonna keep an eye on them, because when bacon is wrapped around something, it cooks a little bit different, but we'll be right back. Okay, we got about 3.5 minutes to go. I left them in for, I think it was 10 minutes first, then I added another 10 minutes. Now I flipped them over and put them in for another 5 minutes. Like I said, when you're dealing with bacon, and especially when you wrap it around stuff, you have to just keep an eye on it and kind of give it more time if it needs it, or give it less time if it doesn't need it. So I'm gonna take a piece of paper towel. I'm gonna put it right on my plate where they're going. I'm gonna take these out right now, even though they still have about 2 minutes to go. Yeah, this is what they look like right now, and if I set these on the paper towel, then the paper towel will actually soak up that extra grease, and it'll help these to get a little crunchier as they cool down. Oh, these are gonna be good. Look at that already. Oh my gosh. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh. They look so good. Ah, and they smell heavenly. And another cool thing about the toothpicks is that you can grab the toothpick and pick them right up straight out of the oven. Now, don't shove it in your mouth straight out of the oven. All right, I think they're cool enough now. I can do a little taste test. Take a look at that guy. That's what I'm talking about. All right, guys. Yes, those are absolutely delicious. Kevin Bacon wrapped wieners for our Friday the 13th movie night. All right, guys, well, there you go. Kevin Bacon wrapped wieners with Friday the 13th. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and make sure you stay tuned, because there are plenty more to come.